So the other day, I promised my followers and my friends on Facebook that I want to do a course about Shopify and drop shipping. And in that course and in that post, I promised a lot of things which I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it for free of charge. That means you are not paying a dime, and this is me fulfilling that promise. Now, before we go on what you are supposed to learn throughout this course and throughout these videos, there is something I want to beg you to do for me. One is to like this video, and any subsequent videos coming after this one, like it, share it to your friends because it's absolutely a free video, right? And the next thing is have the spirit to implement whatever thing I say you should do. Do it that way you can actually make and get results. Don't be that person that which you are going to watch a video and at the end of it you are not going to do anything. You can never get results. So if you are that person that always like watching tutorials like this, watching practical steps, courses like this, and you don't take it so seriously, you are not going to get results. While other people are getting results, same on that thing you watch, you are not going to get results. So you now look as if other people are more blessed than you. Nobody is more blessed than you. The thing there is that they take action why this thing was going on. So my courses and my training and my videos are not theory. So if you are here and you're looking for a quick way to make money, please you can just stop watching this video. I don't teach people how to make money very fast. I'll tell you to do something so that you can make money. So in this course and also in these videos I'm going to be doing every day, I'll be showing you how to do this thing. You are going to do something to make money, right? This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not a peer-to-peer. This is not a networking business. This is absolutely e-commerce dropshipping business model using Shopify. And one thing about this thing, one crazy thing about this thing is that we are not selling to Nigerians. See, we are not selling to Nigeria. So we are selling to people in Canada, Germany, UK, US, and Australia. And this is how this thing is going to help you to make a lot of money, because selling to Nigeria sometimes can be so, give you some nuts. So, but here I'm going to show you how you can make money by doing drop shipping in my system. Everything in this course is already set up. Anything that left for me now to show you how to do it, and this is going to be a practical step-by-step guide on how to use Shopify to make a lot of money by doing e-commerce and dropshipping. Now, most people will be like, what is dropshipping? What is it all about? Is it the same thing with e-commerce, the one we do in Nigeria here? Now, let me clarify that thing now. Is the first thing you need to understand about dropshipping and e-commerce is that we have two types of e-commerce. We have direct sales, we have local arbitrage. Now, local arbitrage is the one we do in Nigeria here. Simply, we buy something in the market at a very cheap price, then we bring it and sell it using Facebook ads. And we try to put our own price tag on it. Maybe we bought this thing as 1,000 naira, 8,000 naira, then we bring it up here and we sell it for 5,000 naira. All right, now there's profit margin in e-commerce. There's a lot of money in e-commerce business, unless you don't have the right mentor and you don't have the right coach to mentor you and teach you everything about e-commerce business. And if you're in this video and if you're in this course following everything I'm going to be saying here, you are on the right path. I'll tell you how it's been done. So e-commerce, they have two types. One is direct sales, which the one people do on Amazon, Jumia, and the rest, and AliExpress, and some of these things. Now, local arbitrage is the one we do in Nigeria, which is making a lot of people money. Now, dropshipping is a business model or marketing style in e-commerce generally that you sell a product which you don't house, you don't keep stock of this product. The only thing you just need to do is to find a supplier of this product, make an arrangement with that person, or bargain a price tag with that person. The person will give you, maybe this thing can be $1, then you bring it on your own store and sell it for $2. You make your money. But it's not going to be easy like that, trust me. It's not going to be easy like that. It's going to be full of ups and downs. So if you don't know how to do it, you're going to be, you're going to waste a lot of time, resources, and your money as well, because you are going to be running ads on this store you are going to be creating. Now, in this course and also in this series, we are focusing on Shopify. Most of the people who do this business charge as high as $5,000, $1,000, $2,000 to teach you this same thing I'm going to teach you here. But for here, I'm going to do this thing for absolutely free of charge. You are not going to pay me any damn money. The only thing you need to just do for me is to invite your friends to like my YouTube channel. That's all. Then, help me to grow my YouTube channel. That's all. So this video and this course is going to be super packed with lots of secrets and knowledge. So I want to see you on the next video.